Money gang.
Elf made this.
Shout out my coding addicts, man. Money gang. Oh, damn, this week got me coughing.
BeatStars.com.
Damn. You ready for the drop? Some velii, baby. Let's get. Too many bitches, they know who I am. I just wanna grab and smash it off in the wake, and I thought he mashed. Don't try and move dodgy jam. I got a zip all in my fucking bag, but I'ma need that cash, and here's the catch. I took a bitch, but now you can't have her back. Had it on me cause these fucking always hating on that. Love the way you put it on me, and that's that. Turn around and reverse it back, and I told you we can do nasty things. And only hit me up my line if you wanna motive. Mainly way we let's have a party. I got a dank and a molly. Tonight I'm finna get lit with this Barbie. And still I stole her heart in a heartbeat. I'm on her just like a doggy. But boyfriend catch us, I'll crash out with the pumpy. She said she was taking a single for me. I guess she done this to PAPii. And I guess what she broke up with ex. She wants a nigga like me who traps. She rates my sex and it's 10 out of 10. Yeah, that's my shirt and pull on her hair. Yeah, it's kinda tense, you know I'm moving men's. So hood rich, I got all the hood bitches all onto me. And they're fucking late. Had you fall in love with me, but I don't love none of these spotties. I just love the money. She keep calling me hubby. I don't give a fuck about nobody who don't give a fuck about me. Money finesse, the guy no one can fuck with my team. And all day I've been sipping lean. I'm still in love with codeine. And don't be mad at me cause your bitch told me. Don't be mad at me cause your bitch told me. I ain't even capping about it. My transplant life got me here. The most feel like Jacob while you wake. You know I got a bitch feel clean. I left my soaking wet. I got too much from fucking drip. And tonight I'll be smashing a bitch. Put a beat up in the wrist. I was trapping on a strip. Hell no, I can't slip. When I'm taking drugs, it's the only time I trip. And I fell in love with codeine. I love the taste of every sip. I fell in love with codeine. I love the taste of every sip. Too many bitches, they know who I am. I just wanna grab and smash. Get the ops away, grab on match. Don't try me dodgy jam. I got all the zips in my bag, but I'ma need that cash, and here's the cash. I took a bitch, but I can have her back. Had hits on me cause these fuck niggas was hating. I told you we can do nasty things if you wanna hit up my line. If you wanna motive me and you really stress, let's have a party. Got a dank in the morning tonight, I'm finna get lit with this Barbie. And since I stole her heart in a heartbeat, I humped on her just like a doggy. Even with the catches, I crashed in the pumpy. She said she was taken, but she's single for me. Guess she done it just PAPii. Then guess what, she broke up with her ex. Said she wants to trap nigga like me. She rate my sex, said it's 10 out of 10. Yeah, up in this bitch, let's go skip.
I know all the stuff I made a misery. You know when we go all over my misery. Predict the message, that's a victory. Forget the other shit, just wanna be with you.
Yeah. Baby, I'm with you, but don't make me what I say. So, can you do my hair some cane, bro? So live my life like she's insane. So, got my shit fake nice and Rambo. Look, I'm an ET like an astronaut. Are you ready for that astronaut? When you do, you can have a heart. I ain't playing with you. You get my D hard. I wanna smash you all on the bed and on the floor. It's normal. I can give support if you wanna get higher than me. For so high, if you're a fuck, you know. Baby, I'm with you, but don't make me stop today. So, life feel like I'm an ET like an astronaut. Are you ready to fly that astronaut? When you do, you can have my heart. I ain't playing with you, you know. You're special to me, you're my everything. Can you be my wifey? It's not a blue cheese on the ID. Love strong faces when I check your IG, yeah.
I know all the stuff I made a misery. You know when we go all over my misery. Predict the message, that's a victory. Forget the other shit, just wanna be with you. I know all the stuff I made a misery.